Okay, so I just wanted to give you a closer look at my Road Glide right here. We got a 2009 Road Glide, and we just got this TCMT shop tour pack. Obviously, there's going to be different models to this tour pack, but this is going to be the 2009 to 2013. Make sure you get the right one for your year. And you can see it right here on the motorcycle, how it looks. So far, I've been loving it. I have used it already for a couple weeks, maybe a week or so. And again, it has been really nice. And the first thing is that it's going to give the bike a different look, like the full dresser kind of look. And again, you can see it right here. So obviously, you're going to have this little padded thing right here. And it's going to serve as a backrest for whoever is your passenger right here. We're gonna open it up just for you guys to see the inside. Once you open it up, you can kind of see all the space that we have in here. Now, this is gonna be the shop. There is another one that typically people call pizza box, and there's another one that is called the King Tour, which is going to be the big one. Now on the King Tour, you're going to be able to put a full helmet. On this one, you will not. But just to give you an idea, this is going to be a shoebox, and as you can see, the shoebox right there flush, and it kind of, you know, fits just fine. I'm going to give you a quick look from this side here so you could get an idea. And again, you know what? It matches pretty well. If you have a vivid black motorcycle, obviously I got some blue lines and stuff like that. That's not going to have it. But again, the color, the black does match pretty well. It has a little cord right here that it kind of gets in the way. So when you close it, be really careful so it doesn't get cut or anything like that. And obviously close it up just like this. Now, one thing that you got to do is that in order to close this, you actually need the key. So that could be a good thing for some people because, you know, you have to lock it in order to essentially close it. But if you don't care about closing it and using the key all the time, that may be kind of annoying from other people. In my case, I really don't have anything that, you know, I want you to steal out of here. So it would be okay if I could just close it without actually using the keys. I'm going to give you a closer look from this side right here. It does have some screws right there where the line is attached. The other side does not, so I'm not really sure if it's supposed to be like that or not. And as you can see, you're going to be able to see the hinges in this side right here. And that's kind of like the mount right there. Obviously, it's a quick detach mount, so all you have to do is undo the bottom right there, and you could take it off and you could put it on, no issues at all. The trunk is actually made out of some kind of high ABS plastic, and again, for the price that you pay for it, it looks pretty decent. And again, you could get it with the bracket in black and chrome. I mean, you have tons of different ways to get this. I really like it, and I think for the price, it's not bad at all.